All right, we got a lot of plates here. We've been collecting them for a while. We got the old black face, red face, got the round barrel. This one we did for a red face, kind of a cool rendition on that one. Got the old split panel red face. These are nice units, you guys know these. The old Shorty. Ford Selector, one of my favorite machines right there. Another rendition on the split panel, black face, the green light. It's got the aluminum coils, but this machine still gets it done. The other red face, good machine, copper, 300D. Man, these things are great machines. They last. Blue face, red face. There's all kinds of stories about these. Was it a Navy edition? I don't know. Who knows? We've heard all of them. 7 Selector, Fowler, you know, sticker that they used to put on it just to cover up when you put in that 7 Selector. Classic 3D. Not sure about the TM27. Hard to get parts for anymore. The SAE 300. Made a stainless steel model of that. What do we got here? Can't even tell. It's a classic. I don't know. Read instructions before operating. That's what it is. We got the stainless models that we still make. Classic 3, just the one piece of it. All these plates we got replacements for them. So if you guys need one, go to bwparts.com. We got them.